Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and identity. Plug your phone into a charger and confirm battery is above 20% so processes won't abort. Once charged, check whether your SIM is seated and that you know the device model and carrier, because steps differ. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is available. These let the phone attempt normal network registration instead of lingering in SOS state. Now, restart the phone to force a fresh network handshake and move to the next steps. Once done with the restart, toggle airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds, then switch it off to force the radio to rescan towers. If you still see SOS, go to Settings, open Network or Mobile Networks, and manually select your carrier. You may need to choose a 4G/3G/2G mode to match coverage. If manual selection won't stick, reset network settings to clear misconfigurations. This deletes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but often resolves stubborn registration errors. To finish, power down and remove the SIM, inspect for damage or dirt, then reinsert firmly. If available, test with a different SIM to determine whether the issue is account or hardware related. Next, check for carrier settings updates and operating system updates. Install them so signaling bugs are fixed. If SOS persists, contact your carrier with your EMA and recent troubleshooting steps. They can refresh your registration or provision service. One tip: if the phone still shows SOS, try a factory network-only restore before visiting a repair shop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.